Well, that's been an interesting experience. I've just come back from my daily walk for exercise whilst it's COVID and lockdown, and to help me with my androgen deprivation therapy, uh, acceptance, etc. And only last night I started the androgen deprivation therapy workshop from Canada. This was late at night, and on that course, Lauren was talking about one of the side effects of being on ADT is the visual-spatial problems of not being able to coordinate properly. And over the last 12 months, I've noticed I've gone to step over a cardboard box, and my foot's gone in the box. Well, just now, I've just come back from my exercise. I went absolutely arse over tit and went head first skimming down the mud.
For fuck's sake, I've just gone arse over tit coming down this bloody hill thing yesterday on the ADT, living life on ADT with the Canadian people. Lauren talked about ADT affects your spatial awareness, and I said to the group, I've been tripping over things. My foot caught this bloody tree branch. I went shooting down the bloody... I don't know whether you can see all the mud down my leg. I went absolutely face first down a hill. Luckily I was holding my umbrella, which stopped my hand breaking my fall. I could have bust my wrist. For fuck's sake. I've never done that. Anyway, fucking hell.